Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to OfeAkwu kitchen. And if you are new to this channel, hi, I am OfeAkwu. You are highly welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thanks for always coming back to watch my videos. You guys are really amazing. Today's video, I'm going to share how to prepare Banga stew, OfeAkwu. And this OfeAkwu made my childhood days very interesting. Whenever this OfeAkwu is going to be prepared, I always feel this butterfly in my tummy. Like there is a joy that comes with eating OfeAkwu on a Sunday. Oh. So the ingredients you need for this recipe include your palm fruits. Okay, so this is the main juice in this recipe. We are going to extract the juice from this palm fruits. And also you'll be needing dry fish. Okay, this is called mangala. You also be needing onion, salt. Don't worry, I'm going to drop the ingredient on the description box below. Okay, and over here I have crayfish, fresh pepper, castor oil seed, which is the ogiri, okpei, seasoning cube, and ginger and garlic. Okay, so I'll be needing some veggies as well. Over here I have my curry leaf and scent leaf. This scent leaf is also known as nchuanwu in my local language. Okay, so I'll also be needing pumpkin leaf, which is known as ogiri in my local language, and I'll also be needing fresh fish, so I'm going to prep this fresh fish. I'll first of all start by washing them properly and removing the removables from it, and I'll also go ahead to add seasoning cubes, salt, and cook it and set it aside. So for a start, you first of all start by washing this palm fruit properly, okay, to remove the debris. And I will go ahead to add them into my cooking pot and start cooking. I'll cook until this palm fruit is soft. That's how to know when this palm fruit is cooked. So I'm going to strain out this water and start pounding this palm fruit, okay, to take out the bags. Can you see what is there already? So I'm going to use warm water to extract the juice, because if you use cold water it's going to congeal. Okay, so I'll use warm water for the extraction of this juice, and I'll also go ahead to use a clean pot and strain out this juice. So over here I have my dry fish, onion, all my ingredients are set, and this is already cooking. Okay, so I will allow that to simmer for some time before I will go ahead to add my fresh fish and my vegetables. I'll cover it up to cook for some time, and by then this OfeAkwu is thick. So I'm going to go ahead to enjoy this with my white rice. Guys, OfeAkwu is ready. Banga stew is ready. And if you are watching up to this moment and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment on the comment section. Thank you, and see you all in my next video. Bye.